We have so many buyers entering the market right now, but affordability is top of mind. Condos, great option, but condo fees really kill it sometimes.
They do, and I can totally understand that. What's beautiful about this condo is the condo fees, because they're sitting right around $270 a month, which is wildly low when you compare it to everything else that's on the market.
Wow, that is actually quite low. Would that go just for a condo or like a penthouse, townhouse condo? What are we talking here?
Well, this is a townhouse condo. It has a beautiful fenced-in yard, great for pets, nice and green in the summertime, lots of space.
Yeah, we've got beautiful trees right across the street that fill in beautifully in the summertime, and a pond, you know, just over there. Sunset watching, walking, all kinds. Quite amazing.
It sounds like a good demographic for people looking to upsize, downsize, retire, first-time home buyers. Kind of meets everyone's criteria. What's the address of this place?
We're over at Chimney Ridge, 3040 Pembinat. So we're actually really close to the university as well, which, like you said, it's great for students. It's great as a rental property. It's great for different ages and demographics to be here. And with it being the townhouse style, you don't have like stairways walking in, which also makes it great for all ages.
Awesome. I'm gonna send this to literally everyone I know.
It's a fabulous place. Laundry, in-suite, lots of renovations, loads of storage, great visitor parking. It's top-notch all around.
Awesome.